Do you know the difference between mass and weight? If you think they're interchangeable, you're not alone. Many people use them interchangeably in daily conversation, but in the world of physics, they denote two very distinct concepts. So buckle up as we're about to demystify these scientific terms. First up, mass. It's a fundamental property of an object. It's a measure of the amount of matter an object contains, and it doesn't change, regardless of where you are in the universe. Whether you're on Earth, Mars, or floating in the empty space between galaxies, your mass remains the same. It's an intrinsic property of the object, and it's measured in kilograms. Now, on to weight. This is where gravity enters the picture. Weight is the force exerted on an object due to gravity. It's calculated by multiplying an object's mass by the acceleration due to gravity. So unlike mass, your weight can vary depending on where you are. On Earth, the acceleration due to gravity is approximately 9.8 meters per second squared. However, if you were to go to the Moon, where the acceleration due to gravity is about 1/6 of Earth's, you'd weigh significantly less, despite your mass staying the same. So to recap, mass is the amount of matter in an object and remains constant everywhere in the universe. Weight, on the other hand, is the force of gravity on an object and can change based on where you are. Here's an interesting thought. If you were to step on a scale on the Moon, it would show a much lower number than on Earth. But remember, that's not because you've lost any matter or because your mass has decreased. It's simply because the Moon's gravitational pull is much weaker than Earth's. This difference between mass and weight is crucial, particularly in fields such as physics and engineering. It helps scientists understand the fundamental properties of matter and the forces acting upon it. In conclusion, while mass and weight are related, they are not the same. Mass is a measure of the amount of matter something contains, and it doesn't change no matter where you are in the universe. Weight, however, is a measure of the force that gravity exerts on an object, and it can vary depending on your location. Understanding these differences and how they influence the world around us forms the basis of many scientific and engineering principles. So the next time someone confuses mass with weight, you'll be able to explain the difference. And who knows, you might just inspire a future scientist or engineer.